Welcome to this instructional video, showcasing an installation of the WaStop non-return valve from Wapro with the use of mounting tabs, rubber seal and concrete anchor bolts. Clean out the hose pipe and inspect for irregularities inside the pipe. Position the valve with the spine of the membrane upwards, where the flow direction, in the shape of an arrow, as well as the text "this side up", is noted on the label of the valve. Proceed to gently knock the valve into the pipe with the use of a hammer. Note that no hammer should be used directly onto the valve. The bolt holes on the mounting tabs are sized to allow the concrete anchor bolts to pass through the fasteners to the mounting surface. Place appropriate size concrete anchor bolts to the pre-drilled holes according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Damaged, out of round or otherwise irregular pipes might require additional sealant material, such as swellable profiles, to fill minor cracks. The same installation procedure applies for the reverse installation of the WaStop. For example, when installing the valve on the outlet pipe in chambers.